Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to easily get new wallpapers for your iPhone or iPad home screen and lock screen. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So you have your iPhone and now you're bored of your standard pre-installed wallpapers. You have searched the internet, but there are a bunch of ads and pop-up which is making your search really hard. Don't worry, as I have a solution for this. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for UnSplash. The app will look like this, so go ahead and download this. So what is UnSplashed? UnSplash is an app which allows you to easily search for photos. The best part about this is that the photos are absolutely free and they're in high resolution. Now once that's downloaded, open the UnSplashed app. So this is how the front page of the app looks like. You have some categories at the top and you can cycle through them by swiping to the right. Down below you have all the photos which you can choose from. Swiping up will allow you to scroll through the photos. Down below you have the search feature where you can search for photos. Next to that you have the upload button where you can upload your own photos and contribute to the app. Lastly, you have the login feature where you can join and manage your uploaded photos. So let me go back to the main page and let me show you what I really use it for. At the top, swipe to the right until you see wallpapers. Tap on it and here browse through millions of photos for your iPhone home screen and lock screen wallpapers. If you don't like that type, then you have the option to choose from 3D renders or texture and patterns. To set a photo as a wallpaper, first tap on the photo, then tap on the down button to download it to your photo library. Next, go to your photo library and set it as a wallpaper for your home screen or your lock screen. And that is how to easily get new wallpapers for your iPhone or iPad, home screen and lock screen. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.